Today, I want to talk about 3 strategies I'm using to save as much as I can and make as much as I can. The first strategy I'm using is maxing out my tax advantaged accounts. That's my 401k, my HSA, and my IRA. The second strategy I am using is I am living below my means and saving at least 50% of my income. So after I max out all of those accounts, I am also investing in a after-tax brokerage account. And what do I invest in? I invest in the total stock market index fund, which is basically a slice of the entire stock market. Every single publicly traded company that is in the stock market is a small sliver in that slice. The final thing I do is actually more about increasing my income. I am a small business owner. So, in addition to being a W 2 employee, I am also hustling, trying to start a small business and keep it going and being an entrepreneur. And I spend a lot of time educating myself about all the aspects of owning a small business because my income has no ceiling with a small business, whereas being a W 2 employee, especially an individual contributor, I really don't have a huge amount of growth as far as my salary. So if I want to make more money, I need to either have a small business or figure out a side hustle or something like that.